Hey there! Is your Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum acting up? Getting stuck, spinning in circles, or just not cleaning like it used to? Need help getting it back in shape? Don't worry, we've got the fix for you. Let's dive into how we fixed this spinning mess and got your robot vacuum back on track. So, a customer reached out with their Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum, complaining it just wasn't rolling smoothly. We took a closer look and wow, it was quite the show. It wasn't running smoothly at all. The robot vacuum would suddenly stop, get stuck, and then start spinning around like it's got a mind of its own. Definitely not what you want when you're counting on it to clean your floors. After some sleuthing, we found out the culprit was a faulty right wheel. No wonder this robot vacuum couldn't do its job properly. We recommended a right wheel replacement to fix the issue. And since this robot vacuum has been around for a while, we suggested a deep cleaning service. We'll dismantle and cleaning every nook and cranny to make it perform like new again. Next, we asked the customer for approval of the recommendations, then we started the repair. To ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly, we do unit testing before returning it to the customer. Ta-da! Now, the Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum was back to its efficient self, smoothly gliding across floors without a hitch. No more getting stuck. No more random stops or circles. Just smooth, efficient cleaning. So, is your robot vacuum acting up? Contact us today and let's get it back to its best.